Hi, my name is Barb Hush. I work for the Door County Library at the Forestville branch in Forestville, Wisconsin, and I would like to show you a fox craft today. And this is the craft. But first I'd like to give you a little information about foxes, just so you can know a few things about them. And I'm using a book, a scholastic book, and the facts are in this book here. This is my first book of animals from A to Z. And here's a picture of real foxes. There's a mama and her babies, and it says that they are mammals, okay? They have long bodies, short legs, and pointy noses. Foxes look a lot like dogs and wolves. Their coats come in many colors, white, red, brown, and more, and their tall ears pick up the slightest sound of moving prey. Fox live in burrows, that's what their homes are called, burrows. And a family includes a mother and 3 to 8 cubs. She might have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8 cubs, 8 babies. The newborn foxes are born blind, but they open their eyes after 8 or 9 days. Their thick furs keep them warm. So those are just a few facts about foxes. So let's get to the craft. And again, this is your craft. And all you need is a paper plate, a nose, goes right there. You'll be drawing on your own eyes, and you'll use ears this shape. And they go right there. So you're going to take your paper plate like this, and you're going to fold it like this, so that it's that shape. First of all, you're going to color the plate. Let me back up and tell you that. Take this plate, color it orange, and then do your folding, like I showed you. So you're going to color, then fold, and I put a staple right here to hold it closed. And after you put the staple so that it's closed, you can glue on your nose, and you can glue on your ears, and you can color your eyes. And that's a very easy way to make a fox for your kids. I hope you enjoy it. Happy crafting. Bye.